see me sweating because it's hot. I ain't want to cut the AC on. But what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy. It's your boy, Carolina Styles, man. And I am back with another video. We got two parts of this video, two different small upgrades to the truck. And I've been telling y'all, I've been keeping y'all updated with the truck, and I'm going to continue to keep y'all updated with the truck. Before I go any further, I want to thank my subscribers, bro. We are currently sitting at 740 something subscribers on YouTube, over 130 something views, man. Really appreciate that. But there's gonna be two parts of this video. I'm going to get my food. Gonna be two parts of this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned for it. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button up. Come rock with the Styles gang, man. Let's get it. All right, so it's the next day, and I still need a shade, so don't talk about me. But just woke up from a nap, so my energy not all the way there. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I'm gonna use to go ahead and drill this hole and show you exactly where I'm about to put the kill switch at, and show y'all how I'm gonna actually do it. Let's get into it. So I'm a type of person where if I made a mistake and I'm gonna do it correct this time, I'm gonna show you my mistake. So you can see right here, I drilled a hole into this one, and this is where my kill switch is gonna be at. Drilled a hole in this one, and I drilled a hole too big. So this is the kill switch I got yesterday from the Radio Shack. And basically the kill switch is gonna be coming out of here. As you can tell, no wires whatsoever. So I'm gonna show you how I got it run out of the hood. So I still gotta clean up over there. That's just the power and stuff, but it's actually run from over here, and I got it in the firewall over there. So that's where it's at. It's gonna be right there for right now, and I'm still gonna have to clean that up. But showtime is kind of over with, so right now we're just gonna leave it right there. So got my new one right here. Got it from the junkyard. It's real dirty. So basically we're gonna drill a hole right here. Gonna drill it the right way. Make sure it's in there. Basically, I'm gonna drill it how I drilled it yesterday, but I'm gonna mark it so I know the end, I know the edges and stuff, so that way I can put it in, so it'll go in. And then I bought some double-sided tape to keep the tape. Bought some double-sided tape so that way it can stick on this right here if I don't have it all the way flush like I want it to, just for precautions. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill the hole and put it in there. The only thing that I did was, and it's in there secure, I just gotta clean this thing right here, is I drill a hole. You can see how I did the hole. It ain't perfect, but it's in there, and you won't be able to see it from the outside. So, you know, kudos to that part. So basically, only thing I did was drill a hole with my drill, and I just went around it. And before I did that, I circled it, so I knew how big the hole, around the range the hole was supposed to be. So the only thing you do is take this piece off, stick it in there, and for you to make it stick, you just put this piece back on, and you twist it back on. And once you twist it back on, you tighten it, it ain't going nowhere. So now that I have that on, ain't going nowhere. And yeah, so now it's time for me to clean this thing on up, put it in the truck, wire it up, and show y'all how it looked, the end result. And yes, I am gonna be putting switches all around here for different things. Can't tell you everything that I'm gonna do just yet, but it will be switches for different things on here. So let me go ahead and, it's not hard to take this out. You just pull this, then you grab this from the side, and you pull it out. And that's getting thrown away. Now it's time to hook this up to this, put this in, and show y'all how it works. So basically, I had to cut a hole in here for it to fit. So now I got the hole in here done. I'm gonna clean up this right here and I'm gonna show y'all the end result. All right, so kill switch on. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but yeah, hit the button. On, off. Well, that's on, off. So we got a fix, y'all. And she looking flush. Look how clean that look. Look how clean that look, man. Like I said, we're gonna have a whole bunch of kill switches right here. I'm gonna probably buy another about another 5, 6 of them. So this gonna be loaded with kill switches and stuff like that. So I already know how I get down, man. Let me cut them on because it's night. Oh, you already know what time it is, man. And my brother in the background laughing. Oh, got him. Anyway, man, this your boy Carolina Styles, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button up. Come rock with the Styles game. 2023 is my year, and you already know what time it is. Wait, what you got to say?
Man, follow me on Polo Jordan 44, bro. You too.
Hey, you heard that, man. Hey, man, we out. Peace.